Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today we're going to do a review on this unit. It's a jewelry cleaner. It's a professional ultrasonic jewelry cleaner with a digital timer. It cleans eyeglasses, rings, coins. But today we're going to clean my chain here. It is, I believe, yeah, this one's 10 carat. It's 10 millimeter. And I don't know if you can see, it's pretty, it's kind of dirty. And what you want to do is, when you get it, is take out this tray, and then underneath it's just metal, and it goes about 2 inches down. So what you'll do is put your plastic back in. Make sure you have hot water. You want to use hot water, it works the best. Fill it up, and then you want to just do a little squirt of dial soap. And then what you want to do is put the chain in and then close it. And then what you're going to do is you have your off, your on, and this is just a certain amount of time you have that you could put it. We'll just put it for 2 minutes and 80 seconds. Hit start, and you can hear it. It starts vibrating. Actually, open the door. I was told that the chemical jewelry cleaner that I used to buy, just over time will tarnish the gold. So this is much safer, and professionals use this to clean their jewelry. So, okay, fast forward. It's complete, and you can see that the water's pretty dirty in there. So let's go ahead and take it out. You can see it shine already. I'm gonna dry it off a little bit here to give you a better look at it. Look at that. Look at that thing shine. So this jewelry cleaner works fantastic. I highly recommend it. We got this unit off of Amazon. It's about 40 bucks. We got it the next day. I just heard great reviews about it, so that's why I picked it up. But look at that shine. This thing cleans nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment or subscribe, and look for future videos that I post. Thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.